Foot spas in 2025 are taking relaxation to the next level with advanced features like heating, massage rollers, and even water jets. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or giving yourself a spa-like treatment at home, these foot spas are must-haves for ultimate comfort. Let's dive into the best foot spas of 2025 and find the perfect one for your self-care routine. Sharper Image. Spahaven. The Sharper Image. Spahaven. Foot Bath. Deluxe is the ultimate solution for luxurious foot care at home. Designed to soothe and rejuvenate, this foot spa features soothing heat therapy to relax muscles and improve circulation. The bubble jets create a gentle therapeutic effect, while the built-in massage rollers target key pressure points, providing a spa-like experience for your feet. It doesn't stop there. This foot bath comes with a pumice stone foot scrubber to smooth away calluses and rough skin, along with a set of pedicure tools to keep your feet looking and feeling their best. The sleek design adds a touch of elegance to your home, doubling as aesthetic room decor, making it not only functional but also visually appealing. Whether you're looking for a way to unwind after a long day, improve foot health, or simply treat yourself to a bit of self-care, the Sharper Image Spahaven Foot Bath Deluxe offers it all. It's a thoughtful and practical gift for anyone who values relaxation and wellness in 2025. BEAUMOI. The BEAUMOI Collapsible Foot Spa is perfect for those who want a compact yet feature-packed solution for foot care. This innovative foot bath combines convenience with luxury, offering 24 motorized shiatsu massage balls to provide deep, relaxing pressure to tired feet. It supports both hot and cold water soaking, making it versatile for year-round use. With adjustable heat settings, you can customize the temperature to suit your preference, while the built-in timer ensures you can unwind without worrying about over-soaking. The included remote control makes it incredibly easy to adjust settings without bending down. Best of all, its collapsible design means it's easy to store when not in use, saving valuable space in your home. Whether you're looking to relieve stress, improve circulation, or simply indulge in some self-care, the BEAUMOI Collapsible Foot Spa is a stylish, practical, and luxurious option for 2025. H&B Luxuries. The H&B Luxuries Collapsible Foot Spa Massager is a perfect blend of convenience and indulgence for your at-home foot care. Designed with 6 built-in rollers, this spa provides targeted massage to relieve stress and fatigue in your feet. The bubble and shower functions add an extra layer of relaxation, making it ideal for unwinding after a long day. This foot spa features adjustable heat settings, ensuring a soothing soak at your preferred temperature, while the LED display keeps you in control of the settings. The remote control offers hands-free convenience, letting you adjust the functions without bending down. Its collapsible design makes it space-saving and easy to store, perfect for smaller homes or apartments. Whether it's for stress relief, improving circulation, or pampering yourself with a relaxing soak, the H&B Luxuries Foot Spa combines practicality and luxury, making it a must-have in 2025. HOSPAN. The HOSPAN Collapsible Foot Spa is your ultimate relaxation companion, designed to provide a spa-like experience in the comfort of your home. This foot bath features 8 shiatsu massage rollers, targeting pressure points to relieve stress and rejuvenate tired feet. The soothing heat function keeps the water at your desired temperature, while the bubble jets enhance circulation and create a calming therapeutic effect. Adding to its benefits, the red light therapy helps promote skin health and adds an extra layer of relaxation. The easy-to-use temperature control ensures you can customize your soak to perfection. Its collapsible design makes it a breeze to store, ideal for anyone short on space. Whether you're looking for stress relief, improved circulation, or just some well-deserved pampering, the HOSPAN Collapsible Foot Spa offers the perfect blend of convenience, functionality, and comfort for 2025. Tenswa. Treat your feet to the ultimate relaxation with the Collapsible Foot Spa Bath Massager, a versatile and convenient solution for stress relief. This foot spa features 8 massage rollers and mini acupressure points, offering targeted pressure to soothe tired feet and improve circulation. The bubble function adds a gentle, therapeutic touch, creating a calming spa-like atmosphere right at home. With adjustable heat and temperature control, you can enjoy a warm soak tailored to your comfort, while the collapsible design ensures easy storage and portability. It's ideal for unwinding after a long day or incorporating into your regular self-care routine. For anyone looking for a blend of functionality and relaxation, the collapsible foot spa bath massager delivers a luxurious and space-saving way to pamper your feet in 2025. Which one do you think suits your needs the best? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest and greatest in home gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.